Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take vitamin D supplements. Vitamin D is a vital nutrient, playing a key role in maintaining strong bones and supporting your immune system. Many people, especially during the darker months, find their natural levels are insufficient. Supplementing can be a simple and effective way to ensure your body gets the vitamin D it needs for optimal health and function. When considering a vitamin D supplement, your first step should always be to consult a healthcare professional. They can help determine the right dosage for your individual needs. Generally, common daily doses fall between 600 and 2,000 international units. It's also important to choose the right type. Vitamin D3, or cholecalciferol, is widely recognized as the most effective form for your body to utilize. To get the most out of your vitamin D supplement, timing and pairing are crucial. Since vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin, it's best absorbed when taken with a meal that includes some dietary fat. This simple practice significantly enhances its uptake by your body. Furthermore, consistency is key. Taking your supplement at the same time each day helps maintain steady and effective vitamin D levels over time. Monitoring your vitamin D levels is an important part of safe supplementation. Periodic blood tests can provide a clear picture of your body's vitamin D status, helping your doctor adjust your dosage if necessary. While beneficial, it's crucial not to exceed 4,000 international units daily unless specifically advised by a healthcare professional. Oversupplementation can lead to unwanted side effects, so always prioritize safety and medical advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.